LinkedIn is sometimes overlooked by marketers as a potential marketing channel, but it shouldn't be. Millions of businesses and individuals are using it to create brand awareness, drive traffic, and increase their sales exponentially. Now it's time for you to do the same. In this course, we're going to teach you everything you need to know about how to market your brand or yourself on LinkedIn. We've studied hundreds of successful accounts, interviewed top influencers, poured through LinkedIn's own resources and conducted extensive research to find out exactly what it takes to be successful. We demystify the LinkedIn algorithm, teach you how to develop a great content strategy, and show you systems and processes that ensure you implement your strategy each day without fail. We explain the importance of fully setting up your profile, how to set up your posts for maximum engagement, amazing hacks to increase visits to your profile and rapidly grow your connections, as well as how to measure your results and optimize your strategy. And finally, we show you how to generate sales from LinkedIn. We provided you with an introduction to the network, its history, and how it's used by both individuals and companies to achieve their business and professional goals. What does LinkedIn look like? What are its features? What is its purpose? How does it work? These are all questions that we'll answer in this module. In this module, we will show you how to create awesome content that really works on LinkedIn. We'll have a look at why your LinkedIn profile is so crucial. You can promote both yourself and your brand or organization using your personal profile. So there's plenty to learn. You'll learn all the best techniques to ensure you have a solid company page as a base for your marketing. You can use sponsored content, sponsored email, text ads, and more to reach your audience and take them through the buyer stages. From managing your community on your mobile to helping employees say the right things on LinkedIn at the right time, this module has it all. LinkedIn Analytics allows you to keep track of a wide range of metrics. You should not focus on vanity metrics. Focus on your social media objectives and KPIs to select relevant metrics to monitor. Whether you're new to LinkedIn or already have the key 500 plus connections, we promise there's a ton of useful information in here, as well as easy to follow actions that you can take to achieve incredible results and ultimately grow your business.